When I started my restoration business, I worried a lot. I worried so much that I thought, it's not possible to worry any more than I'm worrying today. And I was wrong. I thought, well, I'll keep growing the business and the problems will go away. I won't have to worry as much. But what happened was I started to worry a whole lot more, and things got a lot worse before they got better. I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. If you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I coach restoration business folks, and I make videos like this because I'm passionate about helping people to not have to worry like I did. I'm passionate about helping people to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something that can sell someday for a lot of money when they decide it's time to move on. So back to those struggles. When I was on jobs myself all the time, I knew exactly what was going on. I knew about job quality. I knew about profitability. I was running, the equivalent of job costing and P&Ls in my head. And I could manage my team to be very profitable. But it got a whole lot worse when I grew the business. So I had teams that were performing the work. And I lost total track of what I was able to do in my head. I couldn't do in QuickBooks. Couldn't do in our production management platform that we used. And as a result, profitability tanked, and I had no idea what was going on, and all I did was worry. So I got really methodical. I got to the point where I said, you know what, I'm not going to let this happen to myself, to my business, to my team, to my family. I'm going to figure this out. And I did. And that's what this channel is all about. If this sounds interesting to you, click the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. So what I did was I set up a playlist of all the videos that will help you to have that same financial transformation, where you'll hear all about getting your financial house in order, increasing your profitability, and at the same time, building a valuable business that you will be able to sell for a lot of money when the time is right.